Hi guys, this is grammar class. Today we're going to see gerunds, infinitives, and participles. Let's begin talking about verbals. Verbals are these three are called verbals. Gerunds, participles, and infinitives are all verbals. Words or phrases formed from verbs. Verbals are used as another part of speech, like a noun, adjective, and adverb. If you see in your books, you're going to see a small chart and they tell you the function of it. For example, gerund ends with ing and their function is going to be always as a noun. Infinitives introduced by to, okay, the preposition to, and their function is as noun, adjective, and adverb. Now, participle ends in ing or ed or en sometimes, and their function is as a adjective. Okay? Let's talk about gerunds. Are formed by adding ing to a verb and function as a noun. Some examples are reading is my favorite pastime. You see their function is as a subject. I enjoy reading, direct object. I love a reading. A love of reading will result in a lifetime of learning. Object of preposition because we have the preposition of. I'll give reading a chance this year. Indirect object. My favorite pastime is reading. That is a subject complement. Now, participles are formed by adding ing, en, or ed to a verb. They function is as adjectives. The frightened puppy cower in the corner. A thunderstorm can be a frightening experience for young children. The spoken word lingers in the mind long after it has faded from the ear. All of the red words are participles, and they are all working as adjectives. What are they modifying or describing? So we have also the infinitives that these are formed by adding to a verb. Infinitives can function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Some examples are he lacked the strength to resist. We must study to learn. That's as an adverb. To waste seemed foolish when action was clear in order. That is function like noun and subject. He wants to dance. Noun, direct object. His dream is to sing. Noun and subject complement. Also, I want to talk about phrases because sometimes when words are added to the gerund, participle, or infinitives in order to complete the idea, it's called a phrase. Example, we have gerund phrase, participle phrase, or infinitive phrase. Example, listening to her iPod at full volume, Caroline failed to hear the blaring horn of the approaching bus. What kind of phrase is highlighted in orange? What is its function in the sentence? Can you identify any other verbals in this sentence? Yes, we have. So the first part, ask yourself, what is this phrase doing in the sentence? You see, listening to her iPod at full time. So what happened? Failed to hear the blaring horn of the approaching bus. You see? That is a problem there. So it's describing or telling us something about Caroline, a person, a noun, so it's working as an adjective. So we know it's a participial phrase because it's as an adjective. I enjoy listening to many types of music. What kind of phrase it? Fine, ask your question. What is this phrase doing in the sentence? It's telling us what I enjoy, what indicates a thing, a noun. It's working as a noun. And since it's telling us what I enjoy, it's a direct object, right? So what is it? It's a gerund. Remember that gerund function as a noun. So that's why this is a gerund phrase. So how else can a gerund function in a sentence? Okay, I told you that as a subject, right? Also as an object of preposition. You see there, from singing at the top of your lungs. You can finish reading this sentence. Subject complement. The scariest event of my life was learning that my son had cancer. So that learning is a supplement, a subject complement. So can you identify the infinitive phrase and how it functions in the sentence? Okay, let's see. Everyone wanted to be team captain. So everyone wanted to be team captain. Is it working as a noun, adjective, or adverb? So you might answer, right? How it's working. This verb. A noun is telling us what everyone wanted. It's working as a direct object of the verb wanted, okay? I have no desire to see that movie, so I have no desire to see that movie. Is it working as noun, adjective, or adverb? An adjective. It describes desire, right? Because I have no desire to see, right, the movie, so that's an adjective. And the last one, we are studying gerunds, participles, and infinitives to improve our writing. We are studying gerunds, infinitives to improve our writing. Is it working as noun, adjective? So this is an adverb. It tells why we are studying gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Why or for what? To improve our writing. So let's finish telling. Remember, always work as noun gerunds, ends in ing, and also can function as subject, direct object, indirect object, and subject complement or object of the preposition. Remember that. Now, participles always work as adjectives, are verb forms ending in ing, ed, or en. And infinitives are verbs preceded by to eat, to sleep, to drink. Be careful not to confuse a prepositional phrase for an infinitive phrase. I went to the store. Infinitives can work as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your attention. I want you to work on your books in verbals and also write 5 sentences in infinitive form. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.